Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over the age sign up restriction. So sign up restrictions are just policies that are designed to restrict access to who can sign up to your applications. This is all part of the in-house firewall module. All right. I'm currently in the subscription management module of the Inhouz Cloud console. I'm going to jump into one of our services called Support Auth. I already have it opened up here. So this is an external service in the production environment. This means that this application can be signed up to by people outside of your organization because it's external, and production just means that this is connecting to the production environment of your site. So to add an age restriction, all we need to go over to is to the configurations tab, go to the restrictions, and then all we need to do is just add a restriction. So there are a few restrictions out here. So to add a minimum age to your for the signups, all we need to do is just say, hey, we want a minimum age restriction, and just add that. So I can say the minimum age for this site is maybe 16, right? And that's that. If I wanted to set a maximum age for the site, all I need to do is add a maximum age restriction. I can say, well, I want the maximum age to be 30. So if we had an app that we wanted only people from 16 to 30 to be on, then this is, a very simple way to configure this. So you might ask, okay, I've configured the minimum age and maximum age. How does this get done or handled by the platform? So what you want to do is that you want to make sure that in the sign up form, the date of birth is displayed and required. So when a user enters their date of birth, then the system is automatically going to use that to calculate the user's age at the time of sign up. And then if you have an age restriction, a minimum or maximum or both, then the system is going to factor all these into play. And if the user is not permitted, based on the fact that they did not fall into any of these bounds, then this sign up would fail. So this applies for new signups. This applies to transferring licenses. This applies to adding users from existing accounts. So this is a 360 restriction for age. All right, that's it with age restrictions. See you in the next video.